For respectable audience, my question is 4 squared divided by 2 cubed divided by 32 divided by 4 a square. We know that 4 a square is equal to 16, divided by 2 cubed is 8, and divided by 32, and divided by 4 a square is 16. Okay, now, Hamdaz says that we have to move from left to right. Mean there are 3 divisions in this case, but we have to perform the division which is at extremely left. So 16 divided by 8, it will be equal to 2 divided by 32 divided by 16. Okay, now again we have to move from left to right. We will get 2 divided by 32 and divided by this 16. Okay, now 2 divided by 32 can be written as 1 divided by 16. So it will be 1 by 16 divided by 16. So it will be 1 by 16 times 1 by 16, because we have to flip 16. So 1 times 1 will be equal to 1, and 16 times 16. It will be equal to 16 a square, which is equal to 256. And 1 by 256 will be our answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube video.